Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 42. In the last video, we saw object class. In this video, we are going to discuss about exception handling. Before understand exception handling, first we have to understand exception. What is meant by exception? Because every time before find a solution, we first understand a problem. First get problem, then we can find that problem solution. Here also the same thing. First we will discuss about exception. So let's first understand what is the exception. Exception is in unwanted or unexpected event problem, or we can say unexpected problem, because exception terminate your program abnormally. Let's consider here you write some 10 line of code. In between fifth or sixth line there some exception occur, some problem occur, because that your program terminate abnormally in between execution. Your program can't execute complete, your program in between execution terminate. Unexpected thing happen and stop the execution or terminate program, that is called exception. Unexpected thing happen and automatically terminate your program in between execution, that is called exception. Exception, there for exception handling Java provides some classes. We will discuss those also. Those all classes present inside the Java lang package, and we know already Java lang package is a by default imported default package. Some default package Java provide imported, that is nothing but java.lang package. We don't need to import this package externally because this package is already imported by default. Lang package is default import. We don't need to import java.lang package. Here you can see in this example, here we simply write 7 statement. Our first four statement execute properly. There is no exception. There is no issue. But in a fifth statement, there we write some logic, some code. Because that logic, because that code, some exception occur, and because that exception, our later those statement not execute, our only four statement execute, and after this five statement their remaining statement will not execute, because here only the five statement our program terminate, our program directly terminate abnormally. Okay, you can see here we have a one real life example. Here you can see here our home, our city, and we want to visit a zoo. Okay, we want to visit zoo, we simply plan means our program. Let's consider here our first we prepare a plan. Here we simply prepare a plan and we start that program, means we start applying our plan. We simply exit from home and we want to reach zoo. So we start our journey from home, and in between we decided, we only here decided in our plan, we decided in a hotel we will eat something and then we will start our journey. Okay, but we don't decide what if hotel is closed, then we don't decide what to do. Then we start our journey and there we reach in a hotel. There if that hotel is open, then there is no problem, we stop there, we eat there something and we start our journey continuously. But if that hotel is closed, then we don't decide that if hotel is closed then what should we do. Okay, we don't decided that. Then there is a issue in our plan, there is no we something defined. If hotel is closed, then we will come back or we will continue our journey. Okay, there is one type of exception. Okay, but we can handle that exception. We initially we when we leave our home, that time only we decide, when we prepare our plan, that time only we can decide if hotel is closed, then we continue our journey. That is nothing but checked exception. We will see what is the checked exception and what is the unchecked exception. That is the checked exception, because we can already figure if hotel is a possibility, hotel is a close or hotel is a open. If hotel is open, then we will simply eat something there and we will start our journey continue. But hotel is a close, then we will simply start our journey continue. Okay, we can simply define here. But this one is a unexpected thing happen, totally unexpected thing. This one is a expected, because we sometime we expect this hotel is a close or this hotel is a open. Then we simply when we prepare a plan, that time only we can define if hotel is closed, then we will continue our journey. But here you can see here simply broken bridge, because we don't know, we don't think about this broken bridge. Okay, we simply drive car, we don't saw that broken bridge and our car is broke. Unexpected exception, because we don't expect this bridge is broken or something like this exception occur, and because that our upcoming journey stop, our upcoming journey terminate, directly here we terminate. Okay, these two kind of exception may be occur. One is the checked exception. This checked exception we initially define. If hotel is closed, then we will continue our journey. But this second one is a unchecked exception, because we don't expect this exception, because that our program is directly terminate. These two kind of exception we can handle using exception handling. We will see that also. Here we saw in this real life two kind of exception. One is a checked exception and another one is a unchecked exception. We will discuss all this in detail in a practical. So in this video, that's it. We will cover next topic in a next video. Till that, bye bye.